as we grow, we understand
Yes.
what is it is the useless or it is the effective for
Yes.
speak. So we understand, and in our childhood, unnecessary, we keep on thinking all the time,
Yes.
throughout the day, yeah, anytime it is okay or not, but we have to speak. But when we understand, be a responsible person, so we understand it is correct, and it is a good way to share my opinion or not, and it is a
Because in the young age we are speaking a lot. Please introduce yourself.
Absolutely. Thanks for asking about me. As you know, I'm Singh. I'm a job holder. I work in a Tata Motor. At the present time, I'm correcting from the Uttarakhand. Originally, I'm from the Haryana. If I consider about my qualification, I have completely 10 plus 2 plus ITI. After that, I got a job. I have two kids. I live in my own house. Apart from, I have completely 1 year speaking course from the American Institute for improve my skill, boost my level. If I discuss about my hobbies, I liked some of the activities game. According the season, I change my hobbies, and I teach my children. I play some of the activity game for maintenance of my health, and as well as I learn to Haryanvi song. And nowadays I am so excited, so keen to discuss, connect through the Skype app with some of the other people, share my knowledge, and learn something from the other side. It's my intention. So it's all about me.
I am Tanya Singh. I'm joining you from Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker, having a daughter. If I talk about my educational qualification, so I have completed my master's degree. Right now, I'm working on my YouTube channel. My hobby is playing badminton, and in free time, I'm watching movies. That's all about me.
Oh, it's very lovely introduction because I can't comparison with the degree you, because you have much degree better than me. So I have no, we should not comparison because degree is the piece of paper. Real degree is in our behave. So I don't want to know about, don't believe of the degree, because knowledge is more important than the degree,
Hmm.
because there are a number of the people has much degree but they can't express their self, their knowledge, due to the fear of the insult, and face some of the problems. So that's why, how can we understand ki he is a degree holder person, he is a educated person? So first we have to understand what is the use of getting the more than more degree if we are not able to express our feeling, our thought, and make them understand. So what is the
But
use of
sometime it depends on our nature. Like if
art?
someone is introvert kind of person, they always feel shy to express
Yes,
their feelings. Yes.
absolute, absolutely. Because according the situation, we feel better or not.
Hmm.
So as like we have to express according the any type of the thing. So in front of the people, we have to express. We want to make them understand. So we are feeling comfortably or not. We have to
Hmm.
understand it. But
Hmm.
education teaches us कि you need to remove your hesitation, and you have a much degree. So at least you can share according your degree, according your knowledge, you can make them understand. But there are number of the people, they have no much confidence.
But in the childhood, we are speaking a lot when we are in 11th or 12th grade or college, also, I can say. But when we
In the
start our career, after some time, this habit is reducing over years.
in our workplace, we are not able to comfortable to express ourselves,
No,
and
no. Actually, when we are kid, that time without thinking, we are saying anything. But after getting maturity,
as
before
like
speaking, we are thinking if we are, speaking. Like sometimes we are unnecessarily speaking. So sometimes we should, always think before saying anything.
really, as we grow, we understand what
Yes.
is it is the useless or it is the effective for
Yes.
speak. So we understand, and in our childhood, unnecessary, we keep on thinking all the time,
Yes.
throughout the day, yeah,
Hmm.
anytime it is okay or not, but we have to speak. But when
Hmm.
we understand, be a responsible person, so we
Hmm.
understand it is correct, and it is the good way to share my
Hmm.
opinion or not, and
Hmm.
it is my
Because in the
responsibility.
young age, we are speaking a lot. If we observe old people, they are speaking less
Less.
compared than youth person.
Really, 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 you are saying absolutely 100% saying कि, as we connect with some of the elder people, they keep on hearing your word
Yes.
only, because
Hmm.
according their thinking, according he has already understand what is the use of the unnecessary speaking,
mm,
unnecessary talking. So understand. So as like it is understanding, we should not speak more than more unnecessary place.
mm, yes. Like if you are going in a prayer meet, some other meets, there is need to, shut, there is need to, like your mouth should be shut down. But some people are, unnecessary talking.
Unnecessary without some of the other friend as already
Mm,
feeling irritated, and why are you
mm,
speaking, why do you need to speak
yes,
more necessary any type of the topic he has already pick up and start discussing. They are not taking
yes,
interest of the hearing, but and because
yes.
be a habitual, some of the person has already be a habit for
Mm,
talking.
yes, yes. So tell me something about Haryani culture.
Oh, Haryanvi culture. Do you know about the Haryanvi culture? As like in the sense of the Haryanvi culture, do you know Haryana is known दूध दही का खाना ये मेरा हरियाणा. So there are in our state you can get the plenty of the milk and
Yes.
product
Mm,
of the milk, and
mm,
all of many people believe their hard work. They are a very hard
mm,
work people, and mostly youngest generation uh, play to activity game of the like in
mm,
our state.
mm.
Kabaddi and kusti is the very famous. Wrestling is the very famous. When you
Yes.
go there,
That is the
but
reason most of the wrestlers, boxers, they
boxer
come always from Haryana.
Haryana. If I discuss about the two or three districts of the like a Rohtak, Bhiwani, and Charkhi
Mm,
Dadri, and these are Sonipat, Panipat. These are 5 or 6 states. Is already all the time small kid is also started to go to the in a particular like a
mm,
academy. Academy is going on everywhere. When you go to the anywhere, so you can watch. After 50 meter there are number of the academy, so
mm,
almost the new generation depend of the
yes.
kabaddi kurti because
Mm,
I also was in my schooling time, so we also used play this type of the activity game. So
mm, yes.
Haryana and all over the Haryana people known entire the world, yeah, anywhere go to the through their language, because in our language is
Mm,
little bit fatty like a moti akkad bhasha. So we
mm.
known every when we go to the outside in part of our country, so they understand. Oh, are you Haryanvi? Yeah, absolutely, because
But I
it is
observed like mostly they are straightforward.
straightforward. Yeah, there is no any doubt. There is no any of the
Yes.
regret in their mind, whether you feel okay or doesn't. It
Mm,
doesn't matter, but they keep on your mouth, on your tongue. Speak truthfully.
yes. Yes.
Hajir
Yes.
jawab. You can say ki hajir jawab.
Yes. Hmm. There are some renowned like athletes, Neeraj Chopra
Neeraj Chopra
and Fogart sisters. They also belong from Haryana.
from Haryana. Yeah, absolutely.
Hmm. So now today is Sunday. So on Sunday, what is your priorities? Like because in the weekday we are always busy in our work, some other things. So in the Sunday, like some people are going to watching movies, some are joining their friend circle. So what you do on Sunday?
Because I have already made a plan 2 days ago. I have already made a plan go to the with my family. We will go to the my friend house far 40 kilometers from here. So he has already invited that, but due to the some of the reason, I have already missed the plan, and I didn't do anything special today. And I am passing the time only for doing some of the activity, teach my children nowadays. Our children exam is around the corner, so only for
Hmm.
can suggest them and care of them ki you have to pay attention on your revision of the homework. Otherwise I have already made a plan, but I didn't make a plan today due to the some of the reason. Otherwise I keep on going here and there, and I didn't do anything of the special today.
Yes, like exams are annual exams are around the corner. All children are very busy in their studies. So, what do you think? Like some parents are sometimes they are careless, but when it comes to like annual exam, they are very careful. You should all time study. What is your opinion? How should we
No,
treat our children that time?
because everyone parents hope if we will pay attention only within 50 days, within a 1 month, so they get a good mark better in their life, they get a score good in their life. So only for every parents need to only for they check the number, they depend on only for number, they don't, they had no knowledge about the what kind of knowledge they know or not, it doesn't matter for them, only for they need a how many numbers did you get in
Mm.
this so only for mostly parents know about only for check the number. Number is the countable, but I don't pay attention on the number. I want to know. I try to teach my children. Don't need to pay attention on the number. If you understand questions and answer and your subject, you have 100% number. What will of the number, but it has already become our mentality, our parents and our children, ki you have to get the much number, then after you will be a brilliant. So every
Mm.
parent, but they understand ki we are spending the mostly money in the schools, and after that you can't get a good score, good number. So how can we accept ki will you get a good job in your life or not? So
Mm.
I think it is not a huge subject of the thinking, and we have to survive. We have to spend our time, understand, and provide some of the like a, whatever they need of the children and care of our children, so they can crack very easily.
Yes. But some parents are very, I can say, they are, pressurize their kids.
No, no, no. We should not pressure, but because we try to understand our children, all over the parents know about their children. He is good or not in the
Mm.
in same field or not. But we should not pressure. We should not pressurize within a 15 days. You didn't pay attention in throughout the year, but in a
Mm.
15 days you got the pressure. So a student has already be a irritate and like feel not feel good. So how can he
Mm.
perform, and they perform very well? So we should
Mm.
not praise. And first of all, we try to understand ki he is good or not. So we try to provide the any type of the tuition and spend your time, so he can understand, they can understand very easily according my point of view.
Okay. And after annual exam, school will be closed for 10 days, 20 days. There are, different time periods. So, do you have any programs for vacation with your children during
Sure,
these
absolutely.
days?
Absolutely, absolutely. After complete the exam, and my children and my wife, they both are all over the my family member went to the Haryana, Haryana for spend 10 days, 15 days, 1 month their holiday. After-
Mm.
Then after new session has already started, so they come. But they have already make a
Mm.
plan, go their nani's house, their our village, only for 15 or 20 days enough for them. Otherwise, they will not they will not go from here. So I will provide some of the homework and
Mm.
discuss English to English. I will teach them how can we speak, how can we improve, how can we understand of the things of the any type of the subject. Create the story according the subject, and I will try level my best as much as possible.
They are also watching your YouTube videos.
Yeah, absolutely.
Mm. So I
They,
think after watching, they are also making plan in this vacation. We also do conversation with you.
my elder children follow me, and he also makes some of the videos for the little bit video after papa, when you connect some of the other people discussing in English to English, so I will create some of the my video, and you keep on uploading on your channel. So When we do something at our home, our children also follow us. So
Hmm.
I want to create the environment for my children. If I do good way and correct way, so my children also follow me. There is no any doubt.
But sometime in the school, like some children are shy, so they are not getting proper chance to elaborate themselves. But nowadays we have YouTube channel, Instagram handle, so we can post their videos.
Yeah, absolutely. By the watching, by the watching others small kids video and their video, they feel comfortably and
Hmm.
they try. They takes interest a lot to
Hmm.
making be a frankly and freely
Yes.
mind. So they
So
have already.
every children can explore their talents nowadays.
Absolutely, yeah. There are a number of the children has using the social media and
Hmm.
explore their life and be a confidently by the
Hmm.
dancing, by the writing, by the poem, by the listening, by the doing some of the activities. There are number according their interest.
But in my childhood days, there were no social media. Only school was the resource. They can give opportunity to explore ourselves.
Our our time was different, so we
Hmm.
should not regret of our time because we have already enjoyed a lot in our childhood. Our children never can get this
Yes.
type, never can think in this type because we used to play outside activity of the,
Hmm.
but now a new generation don't take interest a lot by the going to the outside for play some of the activities. They have already depend on the mobile and TV, don't need to
But
go to
there
the
are some safety regions also. We can't, leave our children alone outside.
yeah, absolutely, yeah. Now we have to pay attention because we have no much work and we don't depend of the our field work and we have much time,
Because
so we can
nowadays crime rates are very high. So we should
really
always keep an eye on our children.
we,
This is
we,
the
we should
reason.
always
Hmm.
of our children pay attention on our children. Really, you are saying
Hmm.
that.
Do you have any query for me? Any question for me?
Oh, thank you, ma'am. You connected again to me with me, so I am so glad. I'm glad, and you gave me this golden opportunity to share your opinion and understand my feeling. So it's very good. And in the next time,
It's my
I don't
pleasure to attend your call. And I think now we should wind up this session. We will meet
read.
again with new topic.
Yeah, sure. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.